Hello traders, and great to be back with you on a Monday, March 13th, 2017. Traders coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies, nice and cool this morning. Looks like it's going to be an absolutely gorgeous day today, and I don't mind being at my desk today, to be honest with you. It's pretty nice. All right, welcome to tradingwithbill.com, and yeah, we've got a little bit to talk about today, and we'll look at some charts. Interesting stuff that happened on Friday. Really didn't work out, but I got to tell you that EURUSD, I have to be honest with you, it looks like it's still in progress. I did not delete that trade plan, and it's still open. So we'll just watch it and see what we can do. We do the euro dollar today, as we do every Monday. So let's just get a look at what happened on Friday at the close of the markets, and we can see a pretty good day. The S&P futures down 0.07%. The NASDAQ futures down 0.10%. The Dow was up 0.21%. The DAX was down 0.13%. The Nikkei 225 was up 0.17%. And the dollar index is down, can you believe it, at 101.16. Now, if you remember on my recording on Friday, the dollar index was all the way up at above 102. And it stumped and just sold off. Unbelievable. All right, what do we have going on as far as data today? We had some Japanese news come out. Nothing, just PPI stuff. No real movement today. And by the way, U.S. traders, welcome to the new time zone. I'm really glad you all changed your clocks because I now trade in New York at 8:30 p.m. in Thailand instead of 9:30. And it's just a great thing. So we have, it's not a lot of news today, to be honest with you. We don't really have much of anything, to be honest. We have ECB President Draghi speaks, and that is at, that'll be 9:30 on Wall Street, okay? 9:30 on Wall Street, Eastern Standard Time. And my friends, that is it. That is absolutely it. We do have NAB Business Confidence in Asia tomorrow on the Aussie, so I will be watching that closely. All right, let's just take a look at this this Euro Aussie that we were looking at on Friday. Let me bring this over a little bit. So you can see, you know, we wanted this trend line break. We wanted an entry at 40.80. We're going to sell this to the downside, and you know, but this is now in this congestion mode right here. And we're just going to watch this because as far as I'm concerned, this trade plan is still open. We can still trade this trade plan here. So I'm going to keep it open, and we're just going to see if it falls down and we can take this trade. But this is an hourly chart. So what do you got? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 hours of this here. So I'm okay with this, and we're just going to keep it active. As far as I'm concerned, if it hits our take profit area, you know what? We're going to jump in, and we'll take it to the downside. So it's still active, still on the board. All right, today we're going to look at the Aussie dollar today, and what I'm seeing here on the Aussie dollar is some really good stuff. We're at resistance, folks. We're at this 1.0700 area. This wick here is about 0.704 or 5 there, right? So we're at this area here, and this just looks really sweet to me that we can really get in this at the drop. We want to get in at 0.660, right? 0.660, and we're going to put a stop at 0.700, okay? I'm sorry, yeah, 1.0700. Now that's a pretty big stop, but however, it's okay because, like I always tell you, we're not going to wait for it to go all the way up there, right? Stops are for emergencies, right? And we're just going to let this hit this resistance area, and if it breaks through it, right, we know we're not doing something right here because we're going to enter down here. So right here, we're going to enter in this where this arrow is, and we're going to take down. We have 2 take profit areas today, and if this sells off, this is going to be great. Now, Draghi speaks in New York today, and that's 9:30 Eastern time, like I just was talking about. So we got a take profit zone here at the 1.0610. 1.0610, and then we're going to go down to 1.0520. If this breaks this, it's got to break this, right? And this continues down, we're going to ride this. We might end up getting a bounce there, right? We might get a bounce right there, and that's okay because we're going to be way in profit. We're going to be break even plus a lot of pips. And, basically we're going to just trail this down and just let it work its way down to our take profit area. Now, I got it at 0520. Folks, if it gets down to, 30, 32, 29, somewhere in there, and you start seeing some bounces because of this support over here, you know what? Get out of the trade. Just bail out. Just take your profits and enjoy your day, right? I'm really hoping we can get in this at Europe or Asia, late Asia, and we can be out of this by New York Open. I really don't want to be in a Euro trade with the ECB Draghi speaking, right? We don't want to be in it during that point in that time. So that's really all I have for you today, traders. Great to be back on a Monday. Happy to be back at my trading station. Charts are up. Everything's ready to go, and it's really great to be with you. Traders, thanks for joining me, and we will catch you tomorrow. And throughout the day, I will be tweeting and all that good stuff. Traders, take care. Have a great trading day, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.